Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials done so you can act immediately. Sign into iCloud with the Apple ID that stores your passwords, and make sure Mac OS is updated to a version that includes the Passwords app. Once done, open System Settings and navigate to Passwords, or open Safari Preferences Passwords. You do this now so the data syncs and the interface is ready. This prevents delays later when creating or importing credentials. Now you add and organize entries with purpose. Click the plus button to create a new login, type the username and password, add a descriptive note, and use custom fields if a site needs extra tokens. Make sure autofill is enabled in Safari and in System Settings so passwords populate automatically. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Once entries exist, create folders or tags like work or personal to keep related accounts together and make retrieval fast and intuitive. Finally, confirm everything syncs and that you can use passwords immediately. Make sure iCloud Passwords is enabled so entries appear on your iPhone and iPad. Then use autofill or copy credentials when signing in. Set two-factor authentication and generate strong, unique passwords for critical accounts to improve security. If passwords don't sync, sign out and back into iCloud, restart your Mac, and confirm your internet connection. This usually resolves most sync and authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.